Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today we are going to study about appearance related words and phrases related to appearance and in Korean language. So let's start. Before starting the video, please subscribe if you have not yet. So let's start with appearance related words. So what is appearance? Vimo. Appearance means vimo, how you look like, how you resemble, and your outer appearance, not inner, your outer appearance. When you wear something, when you talk, when you like what kind of your personality, and you look like your outer appearance. Got my point? So let's start. A little bit fat. If someone said, I am a little bit fat, or you are a little bit fat, so what it sounds like? 약간 뚱뚱하다. 약간 뚱뚱하다. Actually, the fat had two words, 뚱뚱하다 and 뚱뚱하다. 뚱뚱하다, as I wrote, right? 뚱뚱하다 is little fat. Like a fat which can be like measured, which can be reduced, a little fat. Okay, so a little bit fat means 약간 뚱뚱하다, and a little bit means 약간 means a little bit, and little fat 뚱뚱하다. 뚱뚱하다. What will be the opposite of a little bit fat? Slim. So slim means 날씬하다. 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 Got my point? So let's take an example. For example, my father is a little bit fat. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱해요. My father means 아버지께서는. 아버지 is father, dad, and kesonan. We can, as I had told you in earlier chapter, we just have to put a non word. But why keso? Why we had put keso word? Just to make difficulty, just to make misunderstanding. Why we had put keso word? So let me explain. Keso is a kind of respect. A formal, a respect. When you are giving this respect to someone, your elders, then you can put a kesonan word after the particular subject. For example, 아버지 kesonan means my father, my respected father. Okay, so 아버지 kesonan 약간 뚱뚱해요. My father is a little bit fat. Got my point? My father is a little bit fat. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱해요. And for suppose you have to put 날씬하다 word. So let's take an example like my mother is slim. 어머니께서는 날씬해요. 어머니께서는 날씬해요. 어머니께서는 is my mother is slim. Slim means 날씬하다, and we have to just describe, then we will use 해요 word, 날씬해요. Got my point? So this is about a little bit fat, a little bit fat and slim. Let's study next. Next appearance is height. So suppose someone has, or you have long height. So in Korean you have 키가 크다. 키가 크다. 키가 크다. You have long height. So basically height means 키가 and long means 크다. 크다. 키가 크다. Long height. So what will be the opposite of long height? Short height. Yes, that's right. So short height means 키가 작다. 키가 작다. Khiga is height, short is chakda. So long height khiga kada, short height khiga chakda. Got my point? Suppose my mother has a short height, or in other words as well, my mother is a little short. So what it may sounds like, 어머니 개소는 키가 작으십니다. 어머니 개소는 키가 작으십니다. 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 Short height. 어머니 개소는 키가 sorry guys, I have there is a little writing mistake. 키가, it's a 키가, not ha. 키가 작으십니다. 작으십니다. 어머니께서는 키가 작으십니다. My mother has a short height, or my mother is a little short. So this is about height related appearance. So next we will study handsome. So what is handsome or gorgeous? So just for information, handsome and gorgeous here means 잘생겼다. We will only use when we compliment to men, at the time of complimenting to a man, a male. Okay, so handsome means 잘생겼다, 잘생겼다, 잘생겼다. And in other words as well, 잘생깁니다, 잘생깁니다 means you are so handsome, you are gorgeous. What will be the opposite of handsome? Ugly. 못생깁니다, 못생깁니다. 못 is a kind of a negative form of, so here we just remove the jal, means good word, and we just put a negative form before saying. So ugly is 못생깁니다, 못생깁니다. 잘생겼다 or 잘생깁니다, and opposite ugly 못생깁니다. Suppose my older brother is very handsome. My older brother is very handsome. So 우리 오빠는 아주 잘생겼다. 우리 오빠는, my older brother, 아주 very 잘생겼다, handsome. 우리 오빠는 아주 잘생겼다. My brother, older brother is very handsome. 우리 오빠는 아주 잘생겼다. Okay, so this is about handsome. Next we will study fat or slender. So what is fat? 뚱뚱하다. You just had studied little fat means 뚱뚱하다. But a very fat person, which can be like everybody can see the fat, and everybody can like say he cannot reduce a fat, something like that, as the nothing is impossible, but still a fat which is measurable. So in that case, fat means 뚱뚱하다, 뚱뚱하다, 뚱뚱하다. So what will be the opposite of fat? Slender or slim. 말라다 or 말랐다, 말랐다 or 말랐다. Okay, so you just had studied the slim as is 날씬하다 as well. So that was totally total slim person, 날씬하다. And mallada means have a good body figure. Okay, so fat 뚱뚱하다, slender or slim, mallada or malladda. So suppose an example, my older sister is very slim. My older sister is very slim means 언니는 아주 말라요, 언니는 아주 말라요. Guys, did you notice something? I hadn't put keso word, onni kesonan. Why? Yes, you should ask why. Because your older sister. She is like maybe like 2 years old, maybe 5 year, 8 years old, not more than that. You can sometimes when you are angry, you also may call her with her name. So there is no generation gap, there is no like that we have to show so much respect every time. So in that case we just put nun word instead of whole kesonen. Okay, got my point? So here we just put onninan, my older sister, onninan, my older sister. And very as well, aju slim mallayo. Okay, verb is mallada, and when we put the same in a sentence it become mallayo. Got my point? So my older sister is very slim. Onninan aju mallayo, onninan aju mallayo. Okay, so this is about fat and slender. Let's study our next appearance, which is double eyelid. If you had search some content about South Korea and other things, you may also you might notice that most of the South Korean peoples have monolids, single eyelids means. So if a person have double eyelids, it's like a great gift for them. And if a person, sometimes you might hear that your Korean friends, your friend of friend had done this eyelid surgery and like upgrade from monolid to double eyelids. So if you have already a double eyelids, then you are God gifted for Koreans at least. So what is double eyelids? Sangka puri itta, sangka puri itta, sangka puri itta. And monolid or single eyelid, sangka puri opta, sangka puri opta means, as you can see, itta means have, opta means negative, not having something. Okay, for example, Hwajangji sayo opsoyo. Do you have tissue paper? Hwajangji isoyo. Do you have tissue paper? Opsoyo. No, I don't have. Opsoyo. So here as well, Sangapuri itta, having double eyelids. Sangapuri opta, not having double eyelids. So indirectly it definitely be monolid or single eyelid. Got my point? So double eyelid, Sankapuri itta, and monolid or single eyelid, Sankapuri opta. Okay, so suppose an example, I have double eyelids. Chonan Sankapuri isoyo. Chonan Sankapuri isoyo. I have double eyelids. Chonan Sankapuri isoyo. So this is about double eyelid and single eyelid. Let's study next. Big eye or big hair or short hair. So big eye. Noni kada. Kada means big as well. You had studied just 2-3 minutes before. And what is eyes? Non. So big eyes means noni kada, having big eyes. Small eyes, opposite, noni chakkada, noni chakkada, noni chakkada. So big eyes, noni kada, small eyes, noni chakkada. Okay, so next, long hair. Moriga kilda, moriga kilda, moriga kilda. You might think like, why I here put moriga. Moriga is like head. So here as well I had put moriga means hair. But you had studied in body parts lesson that moriga means head and morigarak means hair. But sometimes, and just for your information, it may also be hair. you cannot say like Moriga Kilda means you have a long head. Got my point? So Moriga Kilda means long hair. Moriga Kilda, long hair. So hair is hair, Moriga, and long is Kilda. Okay, so Moriga Kilda, long hair, having long hair, and opposite of long hair means short hair. So Moriga Chalta. Moriga Chalta means having short hair. Moriga Chalta. So this is about big eyes, short eyes, long hair and short hair. So some appreciation and some other appearance related. Pretty, Yappuda. Yappuda. So you can only put the Yappuda word for a female, for girls, for women, for female type, like for girls. Okay, you can't say Yappuda to a guy, to a boy, to a man. He will be like only Chalsinkatta or Kyoppada, but he cannot be Yappada. He can, but just like it's a way of talking. It's a culture that pretty is Yappada, and the Yappada word is used for females. Okay, next is cute, Kyoppada. You can use the Kyoppada for male and female both. Okay, cute, Kyoppada. Beautiful, Aramdapta. Beautiful, Aramdapta. You had studied the same when we studied about the weather related with that Nalshinga Aramdavayo, that Nil Nalshinga Aramdavayo, that today weather is very nice, very beautiful. Got my point? So that Aramdapta, beautiful Aramdapta. Next is handsome, gorgeous or cool, Moshitta. Moshitta. You had studied just before that handsome and gorgeous means Chalsankyutta, but Moshitta is also a kind of appreciation to say cool, gorgeous or handsome. It depends upon the situation, and you can like measure according to the situation that what a person saying, is he appreciating you like as a cool person, gorgeous or handsome. Got my point? So Moshitta. Next is Imkiga, means popular. You are very popular. Imkiga. Imkiga. Next is Thalmaso. Thalmaso. It means you resemble like this person, you resemble like this celebrity, you look like this, you take after this from your grandparents, you take to your mother, sister, something like that. So in that case, Thalmaso. You look like this celebrity. Thalmaso. Okay? Thalmaso. So let's study Yappuda, pretty, Kyoppada, cute, Aramdapta, beautiful, Moshitta, handsome, gorgeous and cool, Imkiga, popular, Thalmaso, resemble, look like or take after. Okay, so this is about appreciation related words. Let's study with the help of example. So this is a phrase, sentence. Uriga jokan aboji omoni onni namdongseng karigo cho iroke nemyong imnida. Repeat after me. Uriga jokan aboji omoni onni namdongseng karigo cho iroke nemyong imnida. I have 4 family members in my family. Okay, so I'll teach you how it becomes a sentence. So, Uriga jokan, my family. Aboji, dad. Omoni, mom. Onni, older sister, in case you are a female. Namdong Singh means a younger brother. Karigo and Cho means I. Iroke. Iroke means like this. Nemyong입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 네. Yes, four. 4%입니다. We have 4%. Okay. So like this, as I told you, means 이렇게 4% 4명. So 우리 가족은 아버지, 어머니, 언니, 남동생. In my family, dad, mom, older sister, younger brother. 그리고 and I. So like this, I have 4 family members. 이렇게 4명입니다. So repeat after me. 우리 가족은 아버지, 어머니, 언니, 남동생, 그리고 저 이렇게 4명입니다. 우리 가족은 아버지, 어머니, 언니, 남동생, 그리고 저 이렇게 4명입니다. I have 4 family members in my family, and that are 아버지, 어머니, 언니, and 남동생. Okay? So, let's study our next phrase. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱 하시지만 키 크고 멋지십니다. So, as I told you, little fat means 약간 뚱뚱하다, and having tall height, 키가 크다, and handsome, 멋지다. So, let's find these 3 words in this sentence and how it become a sentence from word to word. Okay? So, 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱. My father is a little fat. 하시지만, however, 키가 크고. So, 키가 크고. Tall height, having tall height. But why 크고? We have to put 키가 크다. Yes, but why 크고? So, as in earlier chapters you had studied that hago, when we have to combine 2 words, we have to put a word hago. Hago means and word to combine 2 words so that it may become a sentence. So we have just remove the da, kada from kada, da word, and hago, ha word, and we had just combined the go. Okay, so ki kago means tall height and moshi shibnida, handsome. Moshi shibnida, and he is handsome as well. So my father is little bit fat. However, he is tall and handsome as well. So repeat after me. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱하시지만. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱하시지만. 아버지께서는 약간 뚱뚱. My father is a little fat. 하시지만, however. 하시지만, however. 키 크고, he has tall height and 멋지 shibnida, and he is handsome as well. So here we had put 3 appearance related word, that is little fat, yakkan tungtunghada, tall height, khiga khada, handsome, moshida. Okay, so let's study our next appearances and next phrase. 어머니께서는 날씬 하시고 키가 작으십니다. Omoni Kesonan, my mother. Nalshin. Nalshin means slender. Hashi, hago. However, and Kiga Chakabshimida, and she is little short. My mother is slender and a little short. Omoni Kesonan, Nalshin, Hashigo, Kiga Chakabshimida. Omoni Kesonan, Nalshin, Hashigo, Kiga Chakabshimida. Okay, got my point? So here we had put two appearance related words, that is slender, Nalshin hada, short height, having short height, Kiga chakda. Okay, so repeat after me. Omoni Kesonan, Nalshin ha, shigo, Kiga chakabshimnida. My mother is slender and little short. Okay, so this is about Omoni Kesonan, Nalshin hashigo, Kiga chakabshimnida. So let's study our next appearance related word and phrase. Onninan moriga kilgo, changmal yeppumnida. Kreso namjadal saiyeso imkiga aju mansabnida. So repeat after me. Onninan moriga kilgo. My older sister has long hair. Changmal yippunida, and it is really pretty. Kreso, that is why, or we can say so, that's why. Namjadal saiyeso means among the men's. Imkiga popular. Aju mansabnida means she is very popular among boys. Okay, among men. Onninan moriga kilgo. My older sister has long hair. Changmal yeppumnida, which is really pretty, and it is really pretty. Kreso, that is why. Namjadal saiyeso imkiga aju mansibnida, that is why. So that's why she is very popular among men. Kreso namjadal saiyeso imkiga aju mansibnida. Okay, so here we had put imkiga word. Imkiga means popular, appearance related word, and as well as moriga kilgo, changmal yeppumnida. Okay, that as well appearance related words and phrase. Okay, so this is about your sister appearance. Next we will study your little brother appearance. Namdong single abojiral thalmaso yakkan tung hajiman aju kiopsumnida. Namdong single, my little brother, abojiral thalmaso, take after my father or resemble my father. And what your father look like? Yakkan tung. Yes, a little fat. Hajiman, however, aju kiopsumnida, however, he is very cute. Aju kiopsumnida, very cute. So repeat after me. Namdong single abojiral thalmaso yakkan tung. Okay, so my little brother look like my father, and like a little bit fat. Okay, namdong single abojiral thalmaso yakkan tung. However, he is very cute. Hajiman aju kiopsumnida. Hajiman aju kiopsumnida. So what is resemble? Thalmaso, resemble, look like, take after. Okay, thalmaso. Cute, kiopta. Okay, so namdong single abojiril thalmaso yakkan tung hajiman aju kiyop sumnida. Okay, so this is about your little brother appearance. Next we will study your appearance. Chonan nuni kago omonidal thalmaso nalchin habnida. I have big eyes and I am slim because I take after my mother. So your mother is beautiful, slim and having big eyes, and you take after your mother. That is why you are too beautiful and you have big eyes and you are slim as well like your mother. Okay, so chonan nuni kago omonidal thalmaso nalshin habnida. So nalshin hada means slim, nalshin hada slim, and nalshin habnida slim. I am slim. Chonan nuni my eyes, like I have big eyes. Chonan nuni kada, but where is kada? Here is only kago. So in just earlier slide you had learned kada and hago. We combine both word and it become kago, means big eyes and hago and. So here we had just remove the hago word, and we had just combined the hago with kada and it become kago. Okay, so you don't have to confuse. For now just write it down, just make a note. Okay, got my point? So chonan nuni kago omoniral thalmaso nalshin habnida. Chonan nuni kago, I have big eyes, and omoniral thalmaso nalshin habnida, and I am slim because I take after my mother. And or in other words, omoniral ki I am look like my mother. I am look like my mother and my mother is slim. So chonan nuni kago omoniral thalmaso nalshin habnida. Okay, I have big eyes and I am slim because I take after my mother. I have big eyes and I am slim because I take after my mother. Chonan nuni kago omoniral thalmaso nalshin habnida. Okay, so this is about your appearance related phrase and the words. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts, please comment me and ask anything whatever you want to ask about this chapter. And you just have to create a situation, and you can compliment to your sister, to your friend and your colleague in Korean language as well, to just to study Korean and just to appreciate them. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be there soon with my next chapter. Bye bye.